I'm in Corinth, Texas today, checking out this beautiful new home community. Come with me and let's take a tour of this beautiful house together. Come on. Escape the city and relax in the country at this new home community nestled just south of Denton on I-35 among trees and nature. I'm absolutely in love with this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, open concept floor plan with the owner's suite downstairs. As you head up the winding staircase to the second level, you're greeted by a game room and a movie room that is sure to impress your guests. And as you head down the hallway, there's 3 other bedrooms with a special kids game and playroom upstairs. This community offers a wide variety of floor plans and price points to meet just about any budget. Don't miss the opportunity to make one of these homes yours. Contact me today to schedule a showing.